Hi, it's Math Moments, and I'm here for part 2. Told you to look for it. Here it is. Multiplying 3-digit numbers. Now, it's going to be a short snippet today. Won't take very long. I have 4 problems for us to do. Here we go. Now, I've written it sideways because I want to show you how to write this problem when you see this a 0 like this. Either one of those can go on the top because it's commutative. So I'm going to put the 342 on the top, and I'm going to put the 120 on the bottom with the 0 hanging out. It's hanging out by itself over here. We hang the 0 and we just bring it down. When you add the 0 at the end, it's like multiplying by 10. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to hang the 0 and then multiply the rest of the numbers. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 3 is 6. Then I put the 0, and I put the 0 under the 2 because the first number that I write has to go under the 8. So that's 1 times 2, 1 times 4, 1 times 3, and then I add them up. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 2, 10. 6 plus 4 is 10 and 1 is 11. 3 plus 1 is 4. And there we have it. That's a plus sign. So it's 41,040. And that's good because I got that right now. Now, which one do you think I should put on top here? Well, I'm going to put the 587 on top. And as a matter of fact, I'm just going to put a multiplication sign here. And I'm going to put the 320 and hang the 0. And there's my problem. Now remember, I just bring that 0 down. And I multiply. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 8 is 16, 17. 2 times 5 is 10, 11. I don't like that one. 11. Now, I put the 0 in that spot. I put the 0 under the 2 because the first number I write down has to come directly under the 3. And 3 times 7 is 21. Carry the 2. 3 times 8 is 24, 25, 26. Carry the 2. 3 times 5 is 15, 16, 17. And then we add 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And then 1 plus nothing is 1. So this one, I got 187,840, and my paper my check paper says that's right. Okay, now, which one of these am I going to put on the top? Well, if you chose this one, you're correct. 781 is going to go on the top, and I'm going to hang the 0. Okay? And I bring that 0 down, so I've now multiplied by the 10 that's represented by that 0. Then I start with the 3, and the first number I multiplied the 3 by has to go directly under the 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. 3 times 7 is 21, 22, 23. Now I put the 0 in, and I put the 0 under 3 because I've already multiplied by the 3. I've used that spot. And now I'm multiplying by the 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 7 is 7. And then I add. And I bring down the 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1. 7 plus 2 is 9, 10. And carry the 1. And I don't think I got that one right. Well, I don't know. Let me get the calculator and see what I've done wrong here. 130 times 781. I got 101,530, and that's correct. I did get it right. So that's the way you multiply that one. Now look, oh my goodness, this is a 4-digit number, but the last 2 digits are both zeros. So this time, I'm going to put the 627 on top, and I'm going to hang 2 zeros. Okay? I'm going to hang 2 zeros. It's like multiplying by 100. I've added 2 zeros. There we go. Now I start with the 2. 2 times 7 is 14, and that 4 goes right under the 2. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, 5. 2 times 6 is 12. Now I put the 0 there, and the 0 there, and I put the 0 under the 2 because I've already used the 2. Then I multiply by the 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 6 is 6. And I add them. 0, 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 plus 2 is 4, 5. And 6 plus 1 is 7. 752,400. And that's correct. I've gotten it correct. Yay, I got them all right. So when you have zeros at the end of one of the numbers, you shift that number over and hang the zeros off the side. Then you just bring them straight down. If you don't do that, you're multiplying, you're going to get two rows of big zeros here, and you'll have a messy problem. It's much easier if you just hang the zeros off the side and bring them straight down. That can save you some time. And that is part 2 of multiplying 3-digit numbers.